We're trying pepperoni pizza hot dogs, slot dog style, on the Blackstone today. Ooh, there we go. Oh no, they're gonna come and chainsaw a tree right when I started doing this. I just want you guys to know that I was gonna do this video without a voiceover, but I think I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because they're about to chainsaw a tree that fell down at my neighbor's house. Let's see what happens. Or maybe I can do this really fast. And they're totally gonna think I'm talking to myself over here. We're making hot dogs today and we're doing them slot dog style. If you haven't seen a slot dog, this is what it does. It's gonna cut little marks into the hot dog and let more flavor get in, let it get extra crispy. So we push it down and we rock it back and forth. All right, let's see how it worked. Oh yeah, just right. Do you like my choice of background noise? Don't you just love the sounds of nature? All right, I'm gonna do just a little bit of oil. I just wheeled this thing out here, so it is probably not perfectly level. Not even close, actually. Put these babies on there. Goodness, I just squished the crud out of this hot dog. And one chicken sausage. So I'm gonna move that right here. I'm gonna do just a little drizzle and sizzle over here. So those top sliced buns. Now hopefully I don't just break them apart because that kind of defeats the whole purpose, doesn't it? So peaceful. Ooh, that one got extra toasty. Ooh, so did that one. Oh, what is this one gonna? Oh, yeah. All right. All right, we're gonna have extra crispy slot dogs. Ow. That's what happens when I don't pay attention to my buns. It's a little bit breezy today, but the wind guards on this griddle are like fantastic. I love cooking hot dogs over the campfire. That's like one of my favorites. It's a favorite because it's so easy. I love how quick it is and how we need like 4 ingredients and it requires no thought. That's why I love hot dogs over the fire. Sausage. I thought that bird was just gonna come and attack me. My life was like flashing before my eyes for a moment there. All right, we're gonna try something fun with these. Fun or terrible, I'm not sure yet. No, yes, I toasted my buns a little too toasty. All right, we put a hot dog in the bun. We put a hot dog in the bun. And I turned this side off so that I don't burn everything like I burned my buns. But I am gonna turn it back on just so we can get some melting action, hopefully here. So we're gonna put some cheese and then we're gonna put some little pepperonis on top. So we've got pizza hot dogs. Also, if I can do it without burning the bottom of the buns. We're not burning yet. All right, this might be as melty as we get. These actually turned out way better than I thought. I tasted one, they're delicious. Do you think you would try this?